So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect manychat to clickfunnels. So in your account of clickfunnels, you're going to go on settings, then integration, and from this page you're going to see all the app that is available on clickfunnel. It's going to be either the classic clickfunnels or just clickfunnel, the more advanced one. You're going to see all the app that is available in total, and there is no manychat, but I found a alternative for you. If you are wanting a Instagram business and you have manychat, you want to make your CRM, you can do this inside Go High Level. I put a link in the description if you want to try. You can create an account for free inside Go High Level. I put the link in the description. You can try it for free for 40 days, and you can see once you finish to create your account, then you go app marketplace.